Hi, this is Ellie and welcome to this short video which introduces you to Unit 9 Healthy Living. This video will first of all introduce the unit. It'll give you the exam details. It'll remind you how to find the unit spec because you need to download a copy for yourself. It will introduce the learning aims and topics. It'll explain the World Health Organization definition of health, and it's going to introduce 10 factors which contribute to lifestyles. So make sure you've got a pad and pen so that you can make some notes, and we'll make a start. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to note down anything that you want to remember. So the basics of Unit 9. First of all, it is 30 credits. That means that a pass is worth 12 points, a merit is worth 18, and a distinction is worth 24. It's externally assessed. That means there is an exam. And the exam details are that it'll be on Thursday, the 11th of January, 2018. And it'll be in the morning, and the exam will last for an hour. Make sure that you've got a note of that exam date and time, because you absolutely must attend the exam. If you've got exam concessions, so if you think that in an exam you're entitled to extra time or a reader or the use of a computer, you need to make sure that I'm aware of that so that I can check whether that's been arranged for you here at the college. If it has been arranged for you, it will be in place for all of your exams, but we do need to check first. So the easiest way is to talk to me, check with me, get me to look into it. Okay? You'll need a copy of the Unit 9 spec, and to do that you need to go onto Moodle. First of all, you need to find the Level 2 Info Moodle, and remember the enrolment key for that is the word health, all lowercase. Once you're in that Moodle, you need to scroll down to the box called Useful Documents. It looks like this. And once you click into there, it's the very first document. It's called the Extended Certificate Specification. And remember, this is a very large document because it has the unit specifications for every single unit that's available. You only want Unit 9 on this occasion, so scroll through it until you find the Unit 9, check which pages you want and only print those pages. Okay? It will save you a lot of money on your printing bill. So let's have a look at the Unit 9 learning aims. There are two of them. Learning Aim A is about exploring the factors that contribute to healthy and unhealthy lifestyles and their effects on health and well-being. And it's got 4 topics. In the first one, we define a healthy lifestyle. So what is it that we do with our life that means our lifestyle is a healthy one? Topic A2 will then look at what are the effects if our lifestyle is an unhealthy one. Topic A3 is factors that contribute to healthy or unhealthy lifestyles and their effects. More about that one in a moment. And then topic A4, we move on to look on what influences us to adopting a healthy or unhealthy lifestyle. So who or what in our lives influence the choices that we make and whether those choices are healthy or unhealthy. So that's Learning Aim A, and that's the 4 topics that we're going to cover. Let's have a look at topic A1 in a bit more detail. It's all about defining a healthy lifestyle. And this unit takes a starting position with a definition written by an organisation called the World Health Organization. That's abbreviated to WHO or WHO. So if you hear people talking about WHO, we're talking about the World Health Organization in this context, not Doctor Who. And the World Health Organization has defined health for us. And they say that it is a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being. It is not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. For the context of this unit, we look at that as being a definition of health and well-being. Okay? So the World Health Organization is saying that if we are healthy, that is to do with physical, mental and social well-being. It's not just about whether you've got diabetes or whether you've got motor neurone disease. There is more to health than just the physical. Okay? So it's a complete state of well-being. All right? You need to learn that definition because it does come up in the exams. And sometimes the question will be, they'll quote that definition and then say who wrote this, so you need to know it's the World Health Organization. And sometimes the questions run the other way, what is the World Health Organization's definition of health? And then you need to be able to quote that. So it's a really good idea to learn it. That's topic A1. So we're going to have another quick look at a topic, and this time it's topic A3. Topic A3 is factors that contribute to healthy and unhealthy lifestyles and their effects on health and well-being. And this unit says that there are 10 factors that contribute. These are what they are. Diet and nutrition, so everything that we eat and the impact that has on us. Lots and lots of what we learned in Unit 6 is really helpful when we talk about diet and nutrition for Unit 9. Then we've got exercise, alcohol, drugs. That's talking about recreational illegal drugs. It's not talking about medication that you get from a doctor. Your sleeping patterns, your home environment, work environment, sexual practices, personal hygiene, and smoking. So those are the 10 factors that this unit wants you to learn about. And what you're learning is the impact that they have on your lifestyle, whether it makes it a healthy lifestyle or an unhealthy lifestyle. So you need to do a couple of things with this list. First of all, you need to remember it. The more knowledge you can take into the exam with which to answer the questions, the better. And learning these 10 factors really helps. So learn this list, and while you're learning it, make sure you learn to spell each of them correctly. Okay? So environment is a word that you must learn to spell. Environment's got that tricky N in the middle, so make sure you learn how to spell it with the N in the right place. So learn the list, learn the spelling, and then in lessons later on in the unit, we will look in detail about the impact that they have. Okay? So let's move on to Learning Aim B, which is about exploring ways to improve health and well-being. This learning aim has 3 topics, and they're the B topics. Topic B1 is ways to improve health and well-being. Topic B2 is the sort of support that's available to us to promote healthy lifestyles. And topic B3 is barriers to achieving a healthy lifestyle. So topic B is really, Learning Aim B, is looking at if we're working with somebody whose lifestyle isn't healthy, what can we do to help them to improve that? What support is available, both formal support through health and social care workers and informal support through friends and family? And what might be some of the barriers, some of the things that stop somebody being able to improve their lifestyle? We'll look at Learning Aim B in more detail later on through the course of our lessons. So that's your introduction to Unit 9. If you've got any questions about anything in the content of this video, make sure you ask me. You can either ask me in class, or you can phone me 01206 712 190. That's the phone on my desk. It's got an answer phone if you think of a question out of hours. Or you can always email me, ellie.gamble@colchester.ac.uk. Good luck with Unit 9.